How to save your avatar on Roblox PS5. Today's video is all about Roblox on the PS5, and I'm going to show you how to save your avatar. Whether you've spent hours customizing your look or just want to make sure your avatar is safe, I've got you covered. So let's get into it. First things first, make sure you've got Roblox installed on your PS5 and that you're logged into your account. Once you've got it, simply open Roblox and make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not signed in, go ahead and log in with the credentials. Now that you're logged in, let's get to your avatar. From the main menu, go ahead and click on the avatar button, which is usually located in the top left corner of the screen under your profile picture. Once you're in the avatar editor, you can customize your avatar however you like. Change your outfit, hairstyle, accessories, and anything else you want to make it your own. If you've already customized your avatar, no worries, let's move on to the next step. On PS5, your avatar should automatically save once you make changes. Now, Roblox on the PS5 syncs your avatar changes with your Roblox account right away, so you don't have to worry about manually saving it. Now, simply customizing your avatar and exiting the editor will save everything, but if you want to make sure, you can also press save avatar from the menu if available to double check that everything is updated. And that's it. You've successfully saved your avatar on Roblox for PS5.